ZANU-PF members and war veterans will not allow the party's leadership to be turned into a family dynasty, according to the party's national spokesperson, Christopher Mutsvangwa. Sanapinda mashoko, onekwa kunzi Christopher Mutsvangwa otaura mashoko anouya panguva ine achidraw attention yevanhu vakawandisa. Pamusoro ataura mashoko ekuti aiwa bato reZANU-PF masupporters ari pamwe newar veterans havadi kuti munhu aya achinstola his own dynasty. Zviri kuonekwa kunzi ari kutaura zvinhu zviri kutoitika right now background. Sanapinda mashoko muda chitaura panapa ndokuva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa Pindula News wambanyura chiti speaking to journalists on Tuesday 27 May at the party headquarters in Harare. Mutsvangwa said former President Robert Mugabe was removed from office because he tried to pass power to his wife, Grace. He added that, unlike Mugabe, who thought he was bigger than the revolution, President mnangagwa respects the constitution, said Mutsvangwa. When the time came that a leader was no longer saving a revolution, we removed them, and our people supported the war, even when leaders were removed because they had tried to be entitled to the revolution. We dispense with such a kind of leadership. Whenever a leader tries to become bigger than the revolution, we deal with him because that is the tradition of ZANU-PF. He had turned his house and household into a courthouse of intrigue against the constitution of Zimbabwe, which is what then led those who had put him in power originally, the war veterans, to remove him. If you begin to subvert the will of the people yourself as head of state, there is a difference between President Mnangagwa saying I'm a constitutionalist and I follow the constitution from Mugabe saying my wife becomes the new queen when I am gone. The ruling ZANU-PF party is facing internal tension over plans by some members to extend Mnangagwa's tenure beyond the constitutionally mandated 2 terms. Mnangagwa is currently serving his final term, and the other party members support his deputy Mutsvangwa to take over in 2028. Although Mnangagwa is said he respects the constitution and intends to leave after his term ends, he has not publicly disavowed those calling for an extension. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino ari kuonekwa kunzi right now chaos is now rocking after Mutsvangwa ataura mashoko awa, but panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi some people they are saying the mnangagwa family is trying to install a dynasty. Vamwe vataura mashoko 2030, vamwe vari vachisupportawo the vice president. Mashoko ari kuonekwa kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF is in chaos and facing internal tensions. Tudze mafunguro enyu matudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section yedu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.